Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at the MIRA Safety CM6M. This is a protection mask and a canteen with it. So this comes with a drinking system, built-in speech diaphragm, panoramic visor, 6-point head harness, I can't pronounce that, rubber, and 2 filter ports. Let's go ahead and open this up. Really nice packaging on this. So here's your drinking canteen that you can attach to the mask itself for sealed water intake. Most people don't think of that. They're like, oh, I'll just wear a gas mask, you know. Well, what happens when you gotta drink something? This is really high quality stuff here. This is not a joke. This is a real high quality visor here. You got a nice webbed and mesh harness system, and your talking port, your canteen port, and or filter ports. Okay, so we're going to take a look. This is the MIRA Safety VK530 Special Combined Filter. Right here. Do not use this. Okay, so really nice. And that's going to screw right into the side. I don't want to take it out though. And then we have a, this is a special combined filter. This is the NBC77 SOF. Okay, let's go ahead and open that one. I'll open one of these and show you guys. This one right here. Okay. We're going to open this one up for you. Show you how it looks on the mask. All right, so it's got a cap on both ends, which is great. You can pull that off, unscrew that end, and then this screws right into the mask. Use different filters for different situations. I'm going to adjust this. It's really easy to adjust this mask, which I like. I'm going to put it on for you guys here. And this is how it will look and work. Really good. Really nice mask. Also, I got a case to go with it. It was all sent to me for review.